Good morning, guys. This is our last day out here in Surfers Paradise in Gold Coast. Had a great birthday yesterday. My wife Lane made the day very special for me. After we picked up the cake, we went to this really nice Italian restaurant. I highly recommend it. Chateau Beachside, I think, is the name of the hotel that we're staying at. And just around the corner is an Italian restaurant that has been there since 1987. Probably the oldest restaurant in the Surfers Paradise area. Amazing spaghetti bolognese, delicious cab merlot. Woke up to another beautiful sunrise, and it's a nice chilly 13 degrees right now. Perfect running weather. Still got a couple of hours before we check out, so we're gonna do a quick 5K run, and then maybe if there's enough time, I might sneak in a sauna steam room session. So that was 5Ks at a 5-minute 26 pace at 27 minutes. Definitely starting to heat up right now. One more hour before checkout. Alright, we are done steaming in the steam room. I think it's time to cool off in the pool. It's about 17 degrees right now, so this pool might be a little chilly. Okay, I think it's time we pack our things and go. A couple more selfies before we leave this room. We need to check out in 1 minute. I think it's safe to say that we're going to be back in Gold Coast. The fact that we can just hop on a train and be here in like an hour and a half, 2 hours from Brisbane. Lovely pool and a hot tub. Super comfortable, and you can't beat this location. Right in the heart of Surfers Paradise, right on the beach. So the plan is to take the tram down to Burleigh Heads, do a little bit of sightseeing over there, maybe grab some lunch, and then head back up and grab our things, and then head back to Brisbane. It was cute. Look at this shirt. Looks all festive.
Maybe I could pull this off with my belly hanging out.
So someone donated this Tampa Bay Lightning hat here, and it's signed. Should I buy it?
No.
What if it's like Stamkos or
But it's not. There's a huge D. And I don't mean
there's a huge D. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, it could have been the visiting team in this game. So I wasn't able to figure out whose signature that was. At first I thought it was maybe Dino Ciccarelli. I did play for Tampa Bay for a while, but it's definitely not a Stamkos, Le Cavalier, or a St. Louis signature. So even at that, I don't think it's really worth much anyway. There's actually a lot to do at Burleigh Heads, and we're only in Gold Coast for a couple more hours, so we don't want to rush through it. And there's a good chance that we're gonna be back here anyway. So we're just gonna stick around Surfers Paradise. And actually, there's a Crazy Cat Cafe. Literally, that's the name of the place. Crazy Cat Cafe down the road. And Link's gonna get her cafe. $20 to pet cats? Okay, so we've decided that 20 bucks is a bit too steep to pet a couple of cats. But in the process of coming here, we passed by this Filipino restaurant called LAMIAY, KAAYO. So we're just gonna get some grub. I'm really hungry. 5K run, still haven't had anything to eat, so. Oh, this is gonna hit the spot, mate.
Yep.
So hungry. I need to get my tapsilog on. We're the first customers of the day here. Gonna get our tapsilog, and then you got the long silog?
Yes.
Long silog. So thank you. Oh, look at that ruddy yolk. It's so ruddy. With a little sprinkle of garlic on top. They know their shit. Oh, that looks yummy too. Look at that. Long silog.
I'm a little bit concerned that I didn't get enough rice.
You could order more rice.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. This is the beef tapa. Dip it in the sausawan with the, how do you say onion? Sibuyas. Sibuyas and sili. Yum.
Yeah.
But the real trick is to Thanksgiving dinner it, where you put everything on one spoon. Bit of the rice, bit of the runny egg, the beef dipped in the sausawan, bro.
They're screaming.
And enjoy.
Can I try your tapa?
My mom would cook the shit out of our steaks. There was only one type of steak, and that was a well-done steak. And that's because Filipinos don't leave the pink in. It might sound like, oh, that's just some really dry meat, but Filipinos cook the shit out of their meats. And beef is no exception. That beef tapa was cooked the whole way through, but that's why you got that sausawan to lubricate and add the moisture.
I've never had to chew beef so much.
Also, they play a lot of La Lisa here, so added bonus. I'ma do my muddy dance.
Oh my god. I think you can hear my eye roll.
How do you do the move? No, the move, the dance move.
That's how I do it.
Oh my gosh, LAMIAY KAAYO indeed. And then as I'm paying, I couldn't help but notice 2 ube cakes.
What's up, guys?
You get the best of both worlds. Ube cake with a layer of leche flan on top. This is quickly turning into a Filipino food tour, so we're now gonna head over to this other place called Usok. It's Usok and Noipi. There are 2 restaurants. I think Usok does the food and Noipi does the dessert. They do the best halo halo in the area, so we're gonna go get some halo halo. Come along.
Get one classic halo halo. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I was the guy at the festival. Got the cassava cake. What'd you get? Cassava cake?
Yeah, I got the same thing as you, yeah.
Antoine's got the sapin with the toasted coconut. We're gonna pop his sapin cherry.
I didn't know how to explain that.
Sapin.
Yeah. And then he said he made it before, so
Glutinous rice flour, condensed milk, coconut milk. So
You know what? It's like boule de coco, like Chinese one.
Yeah.
Like cocoa balls.
Yeah.
I'm so excited that you guys have this one. It's at Chowking. I always order this one because I don't really like all the beans.
All right, cool. Thank you. See you later. That is so funny. They remembered me from the Philippine Independence Day.
I wonder if they remember that I got rude at the end.
I think, that was the girl
She kind of ran away a little bit.
Yeah. But they have to understand that the wait was really long for fish balls.
I wasn't that rude, to be honest. I was just like, is it gonna take much longer? Like, can you tell me how long it's gonna take?
It's the tone.
Does that sound rude?
No,
When I say it like that? The moment that they were like, I remember you, you were the guy. And I was like, oh fuck, they might spit in our halo in the back.
Yeah.
Because Cyril came up, the guy who looked like Cyril. When I saw Cyril, I was like, oh god.
Yes. Cyril gingerly separating the quack eggs. This is as good as halo halo gets in Gold Coast. So I got the classic. Ling got the
Crema de leche or something? Leche
Yeah.
de crema? I don't know.
This has to be the perfect place to eat halo halo right now. So halo halo translates to mix, to kind of like bibimbap. You just gotta mix it all together. Mix all the beans, the leche flan, the ube ice cream, the ube halaya. How's your mix going? Filipino desserts, your thing, or I thought you were more of a fish and chips guy? We're on our way up to Helensvale. The train leaves from Helensvale. Fun 4 days and we'll be back. Gold Coast is so close, so there's no reason why we won't be. But before we get back on the train back to Brisbane, more important business.
1, 2, 3.
See you guys on the next vlog.